All right, this Macro Monday tip is about parked values, just letting you know that certain values like park, even though it may not be documented, can have discrete values, even though the command line interface usually works as a toggle. So we're going to talk about parked values here, for example. So in live here and off to the right here, you can see our park. So if I take channel 1 at 5 and park, enter, you'll see that it parks it, and we've got the little P there. And then if I do 1 at park, it asks you to unpark it, so I've unparked it. But then if I do at park again, it parks it, but it parks it at 0 because there was a 0 value there. So let's clear that out. And then I'll show you a couple of macros here. And so in our macro editors, I've got 4 examples just to show you. The first one is setting the value like we did, 1 at 5 park. The second acts as a toggle, which is what we just did via the command line. And then these two are super helpful when you're using them as macros behind the scenes, like startup or shutdown macros, or other places where you want to explicitly always either park the value or unpark the value. So let's set that example here. So if I run macro 1, we've now parked it at 50. If I go macro 2, that's the toggle, it's unparked it. But if I fired it again, it's going to park it. And so this can have unexpected behaviors when you're working within macros, when you don't know the actual state, is it parked or not, and all you really want to do is unpark the value. Reparking the value is easy, because if I set a value and I say, 1 at 5 park, great. And if I now do 1 at 7 park, it's going to park the new value. It's really the releasing for certain that is helpful. So that's where macro 4 comes in. Macro 4 will release it, and if I rerun it again, it still just continues to unpark the value. And so there it is again, park, so it's 1 at park disable, as opposed to the toggle, which is 1 at park. So I hope that helps you out. Like and subscribe. Here's some other videos that go over macros that might be helpful for you. Hope you have a great day.